Hello family, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use fermented rice water for quick and fast hair growth. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment on my video, and please don't forget to hit your bell notification button so you don't miss any video from me. I'm going to start with a half cup of rice, my mandarins or tangerines, my essential oil, which is really good for hair growth, and then I'm gonna have my mason jar. This mason jar helps to prevent airflow in the mixture because it's sealed tightly so it doesn't allow any air into the mixture. So I'm starting by pouring my rice in my bowl and washing all the dirt from it. I'm gonna wash it once so that all the dirt comes out of it, because you don't want that dirt in your hair. So I'm gonna wash it and then pour the water out. So after finishing washing my rice, I'll put the washed rice in the mason jar, and then I'll add my water to fill up the mason jar. And also you don't need any measurement for the water as well. You just have to fill up the mason jar. And you must be wondering why I'm using the tangerine or mandarin. It's not really for any hair growth purpose, but we all know that rice smells bad when it's fermented. So I use the tangerine to kind of like take off that bad rice water smell, and also the essential oil, which also takes off the bad smell of the rice. And we all know that essential oil has medicinal uses that can help heal a damaged or itchy scalp. So today is the third day, and as you can see, my rice has kind of changed color, and that's because of the tangerine peels. It kind of looks orangish, or I would say yellowish, but that's not a problem. What I'm gonna do here is, all I need is the water in the rice and not the rice anymore. So I'm going to pour the water in through the strainer, and then I can strain the rice from the water, and I'm gonna put the water in my spray bottle, which I'm gonna use to apply in my hair. And as you can see, I'm taking out the peels of the tangerine now, since I don't need that anymore as well. And one thing I noticed is I couldn't smell any bad smell when I opened it, just because of the tangerine peels and the essential oil. Yeah, trust me, if you use it without these, you're gonna have a bad smell once you open it. I'm then gonna put it in my spray bottle, since that is what I'm gonna be using for applying the rice in my hair. Using the funnel. So there you go. See how the water looks? So I'm cover it. This is what I need. This is what I need for the hair growth. All right, so as you can see, I have my hair sectioned out into parts because, as always, it's easier to apply anything if your hair is sectioned out. And what I do is, once I take my rice water, I still shake it since it's been sitting. I shake it just to mix up all the ingredients well. Try to get a towel around your neck if you don't want to stain your clothes. And you must have your detangling brush as well. So as always, I start with spraying the tip of my hair, and then I go into the roots, my scalp, and always try to get as much into your tip because that's the oldest part of your hair, so it always needs extra attention. I then run my hands through, or I would say finger detangle. And then if I feel like I didn't get enough rice water in my hair, I come back into it again with the rice water. And this time around, I make sure that my hair is very well saturated with the rice water. And please, 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 please massage your scalp. Please do. It opens up your hair follicles for your hair to be able to grow. Massage it because your scalp needs all that treatment. I'm going to go in with my detangling brush to make sure all the portions of my hair has been detangled and the rice is drenching it. You know I love that word. Drench your hair in the water. I'll then braid it back up, and then I'm going to do same to the rest of the other parts of the hair. It's just going to be the same process. So while we are on this, I want to tell you guys about some benefits of rice water for your hair. So first of all, rice water is rich in vitamins B and C and also contains important nutrients such as magnesium, zinc, and fiber. And all of these creates a combination that nourishes your hair follicles and helps repair damaged hair. Also, these nutrients have antioxidant properties that help remove toxins from your scalp, which can help prevent common signs of aging such as alopecia and gray hair. One would say, is rice water worth the effort? Yes, it is. Regularly using rice water can have many benefits, even for the skin and also your hair. So, rice water can help eliminate dandruff, it stimulates hair growth, strengthens your hair strands, and even improves and revitalizes how your hair looks. And one disclaimer I want to put out is everybody has a different hair. So rice water might work for you and not work for me. It might work for me and not work for you. So if you've seen somebody using it, that doesn't mean that it can work for your hair. You should at least try it to see how it's going to help with your hair. If you try it and it doesn't work for your hair, just stop it. And also, trying it, you have to try it in the right way so that it can work for you. So as you all know, I have low porosity hair. So with low porosity hair, it's not advisable to use too much protein in your hair. So with this type of rice water treatment, I'm only going to be using it maybe once, or the maximum will be twice a month, since I don't want any protein overload in my hair, which can cause hair breakage. So I'm only going to be doing this once or twice for the whole month. And I also read that rice water, too much use of it actually can dry out your hair. So make sure you don't be using it like every day or like 4 times a week. If you have high porosity hair, you might be able to use it maybe once a week, which is fine. But too much use can dry out your natural hair, so try to minimize the use as best as possible. So I'm just going through the same process with all the other parts of my hair. I spray in the rice water, I finger detangle, I massage my scalp to open up my hair follicles for hair growth, and then I use my detangling brush to go through my hair, and then I braid it back up. So what I'm doing right now is the remaining rice water, I'm just spraying it all over my hair, all the other parts of my hair. I'm just making sure that all the other parts of my hair is getting treated right. So I'm just spraying it in all the other parts of my hair. You could see the rice and the water, like the water all over my hand and everything, but I don't mind since it smells good because of the essential oil and the tangerine. You can use a plastic cup, a bag, anything to cover your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. And then after 30 to 45 minutes, we're gonna go wash our hair. Okay, so it's been about 45 minutes after I did my rice water treatment. What I'm going to be doing right now is I'm going to be washing my hair out. So I'm going to be taking my hair out one at a time, rinsing it out completely because I don't want to leave any product or any residue from the rice water in it. Make sure that you rinse out your hair very, very well before you start washing it. With this time, I'm going to just be washing my hair, but if you want a detailed hair wash routine from me, please go ahead and comment down below hair wash so I can bring you a more detailed natural hair wash video. Please go ahead and comment down below. So after washing my hair, I still sectioned it out into parts to apply my LCO method. And for anybody who doesn't know, the LCO method is the liquid, conditioner, and the oil method. And the conditioner, I mean the leave-in conditioner. But since I already have water in my hair, I'm not going to add any more liquid. I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner and my black castor oil. And then once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my white tooth comb to detangle my hair more, even though I know that it's not going to be that tangled after my wash. But it's always good to go through your hair again to make sure every knot is taken out. And then I will braid it back up. But I'm going to be putting my hair in a protective style for about 2 weeks. And then we're going to see what the rice water brings us. So join me as we go through this whole journey together to see if this whole rice water thing really works. Because I've been seeing people do it, and this is the time for us to know that if it really works. So after my protective hairstyle, I'm going to take it out and then we can see the result. So guys, I'm going to do a length check. Even though my hair is still wet, it's in this shrunken state. But I'm going to make sure that the next length check I make is going to be also after a wash, so that it will both be in a shrunken state. So I want you all to be witnesses to this while I do a length check today. And then I'm going to do a length check 2 weeks after today. So this is my length in its shrunken state. And as you can see, it's kind of like in the collarbone right here. So right there. So let's see what happens after these 2 weeks with the rice water. So guys, this is 2 weeks after my rice water treatment, or whatever you're gonna call it. And Remember that when I did the length check, I had my hair washed, so it was in its shrunken state. And this time around, I still have it washed. I washed it after my protective style. I washed it tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it down, and then we're gonna do a length check to see the growth. This is the length now. Hope you can see it. It used to be right, like I would say in my collarbone, but it grew and it's thicker now, and my hair feels more soft. So yep, I believe this rice water thing works, because trust me, I didn't really believe it till I tried it. I wanted to make sure that I try it before I tell you guys about it, and so far I'm impressed. So I'm gonna go ahead and, I would say, moisturize my hair, condition it, and then put it in another protective style. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope you did. But if you enjoyed, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share, so your friends can know about this whole natural hair regimen. And I'll see you guys in my next one. But until then, I love you all, and it's a bye.